The Samajwadi Party has sent across a stern message to Narendra Modi. SP leader Ram Ashray Kushwaha has said that if Modi wants to visit the Kumbh and if this creates any law and order problem, he says they will deal with it in a fitting manner. So strong message there going across from the ruling Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh. Narendra Modi, of course, has plans to go and visit the Kumbh. The VHP leaders meeting there as well. Well, decisions being taken whether or not there will be full backing for Narendra Modi, viewing what is an impending visit of Modi to the state, to the Kumbh in Allahabad. Well, the SP leader they're coming out and saying that they will take care of any situation if it arises.
निश्चित रूप से भारतीय जनता पार्टी को ये सलाह दी जाती है कि संतों का आशीर्वाद लेने तो जाएं, वहां बैठकर नरेंद्र मोदी जैसा कोई राजनीति न करें, क्योंकि कानून व्यवस्था सुदृढ़ करना समाजवादी सरकार की जिम्मेदारी बनती है। और निश्चित रूप से वहां यदि राजनीति की गई, चाहे नरेंद्र मोदी को लेकर के हो या किसी को लेकर उनका अंदरूनी मामला है, उसमें हम नहीं पड़ना चाहते हैं। किसी भी दल का इंसान वहां जाए तो संतों का आशीर्वाद ले और कुंभ का आनंद ले, वहां स्नान करे, वहां राजनीति बैठ करके ना करे। यदि ऐसा होता है तो इसमें रोक लगाई जाएगी।
Ram Ashray Kushwaha there of the SP going out and giving stern warning to Narendra Modi. Amir Haq now joins us with the latest as well. Amir, the message from the SP is, well, let your visit be, well, limited to religious purposes. Come seek the blessings of the seers, enjoy the Kumbh, but let it not turn political, because this is, of course, known to be one of the largest congregations of human beings on the face of the earth, and it's a situation which might turn ugly if there are any politics which are played.
Well, yes, Aditya, in part of what Ram Ashray Kushwaha is saying here is directed towards maintaining law and order. But the other part, which is more interesting, is that, they're seeing it as a battle between the Congress and the BJP. And obviously they understand that as far as Kumbh is concerned, the Samajwadi Party, although, a part of in government here in UP, has no part to play over there. So perhaps they understand that, since Samajwadi Party is not getting its word between what is happening in Kumbh, and also, the war of words going on between Congress and the BJP, they somehow want to come in and be, there to restrict what is happening.
All right, Amit, thanks very much for joining us.